but we're going to mix it all in afterwards. Alright, now you're going to get some flour. The more you put in there, the thicker it's going to become. Is that good? Put a little bit more.
Put a lot more on there.
Alright. Now cinnamon.
Mom's away. Oh, okay. Oh, I didn't know it needed that much.
Yeah, because you want peach cobbler.
You gotta have the cinnamon.
Oh, I could have done that.
Alright, now I'm going to give you the spoon.
Earl's making a cooking show.
Just stir it up. Get that everything on the inside though. And then we'll see what it looks like afterwards and if we need to add more flour to it or what.
At least I'm being precise with it, or I'll just like dump the whole thing in.
We'll be back after this commercial break.
Oops, you're fine. Make sure you keep it in the pan.
Yeah, we'll sweep that after.
It's a white floor, they won't notice. It's a white floor and a white stove, they won't notice at all.
Here, so you can finish covering them up.
Oh, wow. Make sure to put my YouTube channel link in the description.
I don't know how to do that, but I'll try.
Just type it in the description.
Okay.
Is that enough?
Mm-hmm.
That's more than enough.
Alright.
Can we finish that bag off by eating it?
Now you're going to take the butter that's already diced. And you're going to...
Ooh, just about got a face.
It's fine, you can put my face in.
I'm talking about I almost got Miss Bryce's face.
Line it
That
all
one's
right there.
not one of the two.
For privacy reasons, I'm not putting your face in the video. But London done gave me permission, so.
I'm pretty sure I've already been on there before. Anyways.
Yeah, you've been on my YouTube channel before, the Ouija board videos.
Oh gosh.
Yeah, you've been on there.
Throwback to about 2 years, 3 years ago.
Yeah, I know, right? Like 4 years ago, almost.
That was a long time ago. Oops. Oh, my hands. I'm just gonna go ahead and finish off these last 3
That's fine.
pieces.